These LENOMA Under Cabinet Lights provide bright, even illumination from compact 12-inch light bars that suit kitchens, closets, and other tight spaces very well. The built-in rechargeable battery offers impressively long run time between charges, especially in motion sensing mode where it can go for weeks of typical use. 3 selectable color temperatures, ranging from cozy warm to crisp, cool white, make it easy to match the lighting to cooking, reading, or nighttime navigation. The included remote control lets you adjust brightness in several steps and set automatic shutoff timers so you can fine-tune both ambiance and energy use without touching the lights. A sensitive motion sensor reliably turns the lights on when you approach in low light and shuts them off after a short delay, reducing fumbling for switches and saving power. Strong magnetic mounting with optional adhesive plates makes installation tool-free and allows you to quickly remove each bar for charging or repositioning.